Wow, PFA just saved me 30 minutes, y'all. This is the most exciting time saver for using ChatGPT. So I'm getting ready to put out some short and short form content on our YouTube platform for Fasterize AI solutions. And I could write the descriptions and come up with the catchy titles myself, or I could use ChatGPT. Specifically, create my own GPT to help me generate content every time we're going to put something out on YouTube. Now, normally creating a GPT could take anywhere between 5 to 10 to 30 minutes, because the more you configure the GPT, the better output that you're going to get. That's still time. So here's a sneak peek into how PFA helps me create my own copy content GPT in less than 5 minutes. Check it out. So here's my newly created Fasterize Content Crafter GPT. How did I get here? First, I went to my handy dandy prompt factory agent, which is designed to do all the prompt writing for you. I started out with a short sentence of what I want. I need a GPT that will help my company create copy for YouTube videos, shorts, reels, social media marketing. So I want it to be an expert in social media marketing, specifically YouTube. And I wanted to capture the mission and spirit of Fasterize, which is to amplify the human in our work life and play. That's all I told it. The next response gives me some context on how it's going to set up the prompt. It tells me about how it will request enrichment, it's going to give perspective, and it's going to summon other GPTs who have their own personas and expertise. So we have AI marketing strategy agent, AI content creation agent, brand identity agent, and an audience engagement agent. Don't worry, you can check out the full prompt in the description below to see what kind of amazing results PFA generates. And honestly, I thought it did a great job. I didn't have much feedback for it. So I said, let's go. Let's create this prompt. It starts the generation process, giving some context to how it will format, how it will orchestrate all of the components. As you can see, it's got the mission, the persona, the instructions, global context, output format, and now it gives me the prompt. Amazing. I simply copied the code, created my own GPT, and there you have it. I have my own Fasterize Content Crafter to help me with my business. So let's just take a look and see how this works. Generate a catchy title and description for a YouTube short that captures how Fasterize will impact generative AI in the workplace. So that's the video I'm working with. It's already configured internally, so I don't have to do the prompt work of setting the context and creating the persona. It's already done for me. Let's see what we got. Transform your workplace with Fasterize, unleashing the power of generative AI. Dive into the future with Fasterize as we explore the revolutionary impact of generative AI. We're rewriting the rules. Of course, we know that iterative processes are what optimize these results. So I'm going to take this, tweak it a little bit, and I'll be ready to post my YouTube short. PFA, y'all, it's changing the prompting game. Check it out.